Your coffee is still hot and your idea is already a finished video. That's not a sales pitch, that's what Ankon AI actually does, and in the next couple of minutes you'll see exactly how. Here's the real problem first. Turning an idea into a video normally means at least 5 separate steps. You write a script, you design illustrations, you record a voiceover, you animate every scene, then you edit everything together. That's hours of work spread across multiple tools, and it requires skills most people simply don't have. Most people aren't short on ideas, they're buried under the production process. Ankon AI collapses that entire pipeline into one single workflow. You hand it a raw idea, and a few minutes later you have a finished video. Here's how it actually works. You give Ankon AI something to start with: a plain topic, a written script, a PDF document, or reference images. You click Generate. The platform takes over completely. It writes a natural narration. It breaks your content into logical scenes. It creates custom whiteboard illustrations built specifically for your content. It animates every drawing stroke by stroke, like a real hand sketching on a whiteboard in real time. It generates a realistic AI voiceover, and it locks captions in sync automatically. The output is flexible too. Export landscape for YouTube, or vertical for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Shorts. Choose from more than 8 languages. Burn captions directly into the video, download subtitle files, add your own logo, keep it private, or share it to a public community gallery. Whiteboard videos work especially well for explaining things because they reveal information step by step. Matching the pace your brain actually needs to absorb something new, instead of dumping everything on screen at once. The bottleneck was never the idea. It was always production. That bottleneck is now gone, which means the only thing standing between your knowledge and your audience is the decision to share it.